This is the current state of my desk at work, piled high with seeds that I've collected over the last 13 or 14 years of gardening in Vancouver, and a lot of seeds that we've saved from gardens past also. So many seeds to decide from: tomatoes, pollinator plants, vegetables, herbs, trying to determine what to grow, when to grow it, how much sunshine the patio receives at work. So there's lots to plan, but we've got a little time still. West Coast Seeds is definitely the supplier of choice. They're local here in Delta. They have had every seed that I've ever wanted to grow, and very productive. I've sent some home to my family in Ontario, and from what I've heard, they're productive also. The germination rates on the packets turn out to be pretty accurate. This is my dad's garden in Ontario. He grows a food garden every year, and he's known to be in my sister's backyard gardening there also. I look forward to receiving photos of this at this time of the year of my dad in the garden doing just this. Garden journaling, it's so fun looking back at the successes and failures, seeing what the temps were on a given day or week. It's pretty much like my own almanac, and I can't wait to do it again. It's really therapeutic also. This is my garden, May 2018. Everything was looking hardy already. This was the last really robust garden, and I grew it all by myself. This is May 2018. Plants were looking amazing already. I don't think I'll be doing this anytime soon, but if I can grow a few kale plants at work, then that is success for me. I do hope to have dinners in my backyard again with the cats and a nightcap like I used to. I miss that. I can't wait. I'm hopeful.